Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by Ed Terra Adventures.
Hello and welcome to our podcast. I'm your host Shruti with Samrath, Keshav and Drishti from the Millennium School Kurukshetra, reporting from US. Today we are diving into one of the most breathtaking natural wonders on earth, the Niagara Falls. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to stand near a thundering wall of water that never stops flowing? To feel the cool mist on your face and hear a roar so loud it drowns out your thoughts. That's Niagara Falls, a force of nature, a symbol of beauty and power, and a place that draws millions of people from around the world every year. In this episode, we are going to uncover the history, the science, the fun facts, and the thrilling experience that makes Niagara Falls so unforgettable. So sit back, relax, and let's flow into the story of Niagara Falls, where water meets the wonder.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
So, first question to Drishti is, what are some popular attractions for tourists visiting Niagara Falls?
Tourists can enjoy attractions like the Journey Behind the Fall, where visitors walk through tunnels to see the falls from behind, and the Niagara Skywheel, which gives a bird's eye view. There is also the Cave of the Wind, hiking trails, light shows, and fireworks display during certain nights. There is also an activity made of the mist, which I do and enjoyed it a lot. In this activity, we have to go through a boat and we can see the fall from very close.
Second question to Drishti is, how many waterfalls make up Niagara Falls and what are their names?
Niagara Falls made up of three separate waterfalls: the Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. The Horseshoe Fall is the largest and most famous of the three, located mostly on the Canadian side. Bridal Veil Falls are located entirely on the US side, separated by a small piece of land called Luna Island.
Thank you, Drishti, for this information. So, my next question to Samrath is, what role does Niagara Falls play in energy generation?
Niagara Falls is a crucial source of clean, renewable energy. The force of the falling water is captured by hydroelectric power plants, converting it into electricity. This power is distributed to millions of homes and businesses in Ontario and New York, making the falls both beautiful and useful.
The next question is, why is Niagara Falls considered the one of most powerful waterfalls in the world?
Niagara Falls is considered one of the most powerful waterfalls in the world due to a combination of its high flow rate, volume of water, and hydraulic power generators capacity.
Thank you for the insight, Samrath. So, my next question with Keshav is, what is the Maid of Mist and why is it so famous?
The Maid of the Mist is a historic boat tour that takes visitors up close to the base of the Horseshoe Falls. Operating since 1846, it gives passengers a thrilling experience surrounded by mist, roaring water, and rainbows. It's one of the most popular and iconic tourist experiences at Niagara Falls.
Can you tell me how was Niagara Falls formed?
Niagara Falls was formed over 12,000 years ago at the end of the last ice age. Melting glaciers created the Great Lakes, and water from Lake Erie began to flow toward Lake Ontario, the Niagara River.
Niagara Falls is not just a waterfall, it's a symbol of nature's power and beauty. Whether you are visiting for adventure, photography, or learning, it offers a truly unforgettable experience. We hope this podcast inspires you to explore more of our world's wonder. Thank you. It's your host signing off.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.